Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off live notifications on Musical.ly. So let's begin. First, open up the Musical.ly app. Once you have it open, go to your profile page. To do that, look on the bottom right corner. Do you see where you see the little plus? After the little plus, there's like the lining. After that, there's a person icon. Tap on that. On the bottom rightmost icon, so tap that. This takes you to your profile page. Once you're here, look on the upper right corner. Do you see where it says KahindoTech? To the right of that, there's that gear. Tap on the gear. And then this menu comes from the bottom. Once this menu comes from the bottom, tap on where it says settings. This will take you to your settings, right? Now, once here, scroll all the way down. And do you see where it says account setting? Tap on where it says push notification. Okay, and these are all the notifications that you can change. To turn off the live notifications specifically, scroll down and you should see where it says currently I'll get live notifications from people I follow, or you can choose from close friends. But if you want to turn off for everyone, just tap on where it says off and you see the little check mark and where it says off. That's how you turn off live notifications on Musical.ly. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.